The secret behind those viral accounts churning out hilarious face swap videos every single day? I'm going to show you exactly how they do it and how you can start doing it right now for free. The platform we're using today is called VidMage, and the reason I'm showing you this particular one is because it's the fastest. It's the easiest tool I've come across for this sort of thing. Let me show you just how quickly you can go from creating an account to downloading your first viral ready video. Step one is to go to the VidMage homepage and click sign up to create your free account. It's a straightforward process. You just pop in your email, set a password, and you're in. There are no lengthy forms, no waiting around for approval emails. Now, once you're logged in, you land on the dashboard. You'll see a few different options here, but the one we want first is video face swap. You upload a funny or trending video as your target. This is the clip you want your face to appear in. This could be a trending meme, a funny scene from a film, or a music video, whatever's popular at the moment. I've got one ready to go here. As a tip, the higher the quality of your base video, the better your final result will look. Try to find clean, sharp clips wherever you can. Then you need to upload a clear, front-facing photo of yourself as the source. This is the face you want to swap into the video. Make sure your face is well lit, looking straight ahead, and there's nothing covering it, like sunglasses or a hat. The cleaner the photo, the more realistic the swap will be. Then click swap face, wait a few seconds, and download your finished video. You're not waiting long. We're talking seconds, not minutes. And there it is. Right. Look at that. My face swapped into the video, looking completely natural. The lip movements match up properly. The angles are spot on. The lighting blends in. This is the kind of clip that gets shared. Then the video saves straight to your device. That's it. You're done from, sign up to finished video in literally a couple of minutes. Let me explain why this matters. VidMage is built specifically so that absolutely anyone can use it. There are zero learning curves in it. You don't need any prior video editing experience. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to spend hours watching tutorials on YouTube. If you can upload a photo and click a button, you can use this. That's the whole point. It's the fastest way to generate highly engaging content, and that's coming from someone who's tested a lot of these tools. But here's the thing, video swaps aren't the only feature. It's also incredibly powerful for static images if you want to make quick, high-quality thumbnails or photo posts to drive engagement. So let me show you. Step 1. You go back to the dashboard and select Photo Face Swap. Same sort of layout as before. Really clean, really simple. Step 2. Upload a high-quality target image. This is the photo you want to swap into. Make sure it's high resolution. The better the source, the better the result. Step 3. Upload your source face photo. Same rules as before. Clear, front-facing, well lit. Step 4. Click Swap Face for an instant, seamless photo swap. And just like that, you've got a finished image. Use this for your YouTube thumbnails, your Instagram posts, your TikTok covers, anywhere you need to grab attention quickly. And then it shows you the final product. This was the original, the before, and then you slide it across and you get the after. Before and after, and just look how clean that is. And again, very simple. You just click download and it saves straight onto your computer. So let's talk about the actual goal here. Why you're doing this? The main goal here is to get you creating. VidMage gives you the tools to make eye-catching content that naturally drives views and engagement to your own channels. Because here's the truth. The people churning out viral face swap content every single day aren't doing anything magical. They're using tools just like this one. The only difference between them and you is that they start because it's free to get going. You've got nothing to lose and massive viral potential to gain. One good clip can take an account from 0 to thousands of followers overnight. I've seen it happen time and time again. Now, quickly, before I wrap up, upgrading to a premium account removes all watermarks and unlocks even faster processing times for serious creators. If you're churning out content every day and you want it looking completely professional, it's definitely worth considering. But honestly, the free version is more than enough to get you started and to see if this is right for you. So just to recap, VidMage is the easiest, fastest way to create professional-looking face swaps for videos and photos, helping you drive massive engagement to your social channels. No editing skills required, no pricey software, and you can get started completely free of charge. Stop watching other people go viral and start creating your own face swap masterpieces. Click the link below to sign up for your free VidMage account right now. If this video helped you out, give that like button a good smash, subscribe to the channel for more tools and tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.